Okay, you guys, I'm back. So we left off on I'm sorry, on um we left off on number 77 question. So I found the answer and I did not have two of these in here and they were so gracious to answer me today. I only had one of these little dashes. So he helped me. I can't believe I was staring at that all night and it was the two dashes that were getting me. So be sure to make sure that everything is spelled correctly and things like that. Can't believe that. And we're moving on. All right. All right, step 78. You can add multiple gradients to an element by separating them with a comma like this. Add a repeating linear gradient to FB1C below the ones that are there. Let's see here. Add a repeating linear gradient to this one. With building color 4. How do you add another one? Oh, this is taking me into another one, y'all. Do I do another background situation? I feel like I just go underneath here and do it again, you know? Oh, they're telling me right here. Okay. Repeating ingredients. Linear gradient. 2 dashes. Building 4. I like doing it on the same line, you guys. I mean, the one that I have though is not on the same line. Let's see what's happening over here. Yeah, those are on the same line. I'm gonna do them on the same line. And then I'm gonna go go for 10% to 90%. All right, you guys think I got that right? You should not alter the first repeating linear gradient. I didn't alter it at all. Let's look at the example again. Oh. 1, and this is 2. I did actually alter, you guys. Because what I did was I put that. Should not alter the treasure thing. See, does it give us a different thing here? If we do that, you should add a repeating, yeah, that's what I thought. So after this one, you're gonna do another repeating. Let's see. Okay, colors. Oh, goodness. I think this deserves this there, right? You should use a second color of window color 4. 10 and 90. Maybe I go like this, you guys. Okay, let me save this because all right, maybe I go like this. this, we just go like that, right? And then we window color 4, 10 to 90%. Okay, you guys, I got it. All it was is that I had to remove both commas. I had 2 commas right here, and if you see, that doesn't work. All right, on to 79. Hopefully, if you back, space that or rewind it, you can get the answer fully. Since I didn't stay on that long. Sorry about that. All right, you're going to use some more border tricks. For the top section, add a border bottom with a value of 7 VH solid bar building color 4 to FBL1. Okay. This will put 7 VH height border on the bottom. But since the element has 0 size, it only shows up as a 2px wide line from the 1px border, pixel border that is on all the elements. Okay, you're going to use some more border tricks for the top section. Add a border bottom with a value okay. Border bottom. So what I'm kind of grasping, you guys, is you could just make up anything. Oh, let me see, border bottom, it did something. Hold on, I'm gonna see if my assumption is right after I do this to see what happens. 7. Oh no, that wasn't right. No. F. They said to FB 1A to add that to. Okay. Ooh, girl, you was all messed up. 7 VH solid bar building color 4. Okay. All right, step 80. When you increase the size of the left and right borders, the border on the bottom will expand to be the width of the combined left and right borders width. All right, add 2 as the value of border left. And border right. Did you see what that did? They will be invisible, but it will make the border of the bottom 4. My assumption was wrong. I was thinking you could just make up any class, but you actually can just make up a class and then add it later to HTML. So that's what I thought was going on there. But it wasn't. Anywho, on the next building, nest 2 div elements within FB2 and give them a class of FB2A and FB2B. I'm learning how to clean up my clothes, you guys. Can you tell? Goodness, I need a closing div. Give FB2A a width of, let's just take it one step at a time now. 100%. And then give F. Oh. So we're going to choose both of these. Let me see, because they got us doing the same thing to them both, I think. FB2B, give a width of 100, and FB is a width of 100. Height. If I'm not mistaken, are they both together, you guys? What's happening? Let's try it. No, FB2 width of 100. FB2B of 100. Oh, okay. So one of them has a width and a height. One of them just has a width. Okay, I'm gonna try to stay on this screen a little longer so you guys can see the answer, you know. All right, step 83. Nest 3 div elements within FB2B and give them a class of, all right, let's just get it going here. A class that we give it is FB2 window. Uh-oh, I see a mistake. What? Oh, 3 of them. My bad. All right, add your window wrap class to FB2B to position the new window elements. Give the FB2 window elements a width of FB2 window elements I see something. Oh, look at those tall windows. Pretty nice. It's all coming together. And then give it a background color of pink. Well, that looks nice. But I can say that those windows should be down a little bit. Maybe that's what they'll do next. You know what, you guys? I want to see if I can make the windows go down myself. Let's just think out of the box here, and I'm going to try to fix this myself real quick. I'm just guessing, you guys. Oh, look at it, did change it. I needed to change it to go like down. How do I do that? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's wait for them to tell us what to do because I think they will. All right. Move the background color properties value from FB2 to FB2B. For FB2A, add a border bottom. FB2A, border bottom of 10BH solid bar. You see what they did there? For the next building, nest 4 div elements within FB3. All right. And what class are we going to be giving these babies? Class is FB3A. Okay, let's just go ahead and copy this. Hmm. What? FB3B. 4 elements. With classes of FB3A, FB3B, FB3, oh, A. I see, so it's like mismatch. All right, give the FB3 element a width of $80. Uh-oh, what am I doing? 80% and a height of 15. Okay. All right, so let's just copy and paste and change them accordingly. We know what's happening here. We're just gonna do the same thing for all 4 of them. Oops, we only need 2 because, yeah, that's all they had. 3B, gonna be 100, and then 35. Right? That's what I think is happening. Yeah. All right, you guys, let's move on to 90. We're almost there, you guys. This has only 118 questions, so we're getting there. We're gaining some ground here. Remove the background color property and value from FB3 and add them to FB3A. Interesting. What? Oh, and FB3B. I see what they're doing. It's like they're making different types of windows. You know, all of these buildings are different. Add your building wrap class to the FB3. Okay. Now that building wrap, you see what it did? It made it be centered. Interesting. All right, you guys, you know the deal. Add 3 more divs to this one. Class equals. Add 3 new divs in the first FB3A element. Give them each a class of FB3 window. Give the FB3 windows element of hold on, I need to see what this is doing. brought it down. Okay, and use your window color variable as the background color. Add your window wrap class to the FB3A. Oh, look at that, how that centered that. Really nice. I am not thrilled about that black for the windows anymore. Ain't the truth? Change the window color to BB99. I said BB, not BB. Oops. Oh my gosh, I changed the wrong one. Window color 1. Hope I don't have to remember what the other one was because I don't. Let me see what it was. Oh, we're in HTML. Okay, only 3 more buildings to go, you guys. That's 2 div elements with a class of FB4A. FB4B. FB. Wait. Within the FB4 elements and give them the class of FB4A and in that order. Oh. So if you were listening, this one belongs after. Oh, I read that so wrong. Sorry, you guys. Step 97, give FB4B a width of 100. The height 89%. Add your building color 1 variable as a value of the background color property to FB4B. Okay, then remove the background color from FB4. Pretty simple, huh? Step 99, nest 6 elements within the FB4B div and give them all classes of FB4 window. This should be fun. Six windows, huh? One, count with me, you guys. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give the FB4 window elements width of 30%, height 10%. Look at that. And a border radius of 50%. Oh, circles for the thing? I'm not sure if I'm feeling that, y'all. Guess down the side. You guys, I'm understanding what's going on. By doing this over and over again is what they're trying to show us. I see how they do divs inside of divs, inside of divs. So it's making an area for us, and you're doing what you want inside of that area. You know, you can make so many divs inside of one another. And so that's what we've been doing this whole time. We've been going, you see this little box, and then you make it even smaller in this one. You can make them rectangular, however you want to do it. So I'm learning, you guys, this is what they are trying to teach here, and they have taught me really good. So step 101, fill in the windows with your secondary color for this building. Also add a margin of 10% to give the windows some space. Okay, fill in the windows with your secondary color for this building. You see how they worded that? They're taking their hands off of us, you guys. They're trying to make us fly on our own. So for this, I think it's going to be background color. And then it's going to be bar. Window 2. Window color 2. I might have to go to C up there with the root is. Window color 2. Okay. Hopefully that's right. Then we're going to do margin 10%. I thought I was right, you guys. They said it's window color 1 is what they said. FB4 window or background color. So at least I wasn't too far off. I got it right, but I just secondary color. I got it wrong because it said secondary. I thought it was window color 2 from that, but I guess not. Anyway, 102. We are on to add display flex and flex wrap to the window container. Uh-oh. This will put the windows side by side. I mean, I think this is pretty easy. Okay, yeah, it did it. It did it, and that was display flex and flex wrap are some powerful ones to do that. We got to keep those in mind, you guys. This building is going to have another triangle on top. Give the top section a border top of 5 VH solid transparent. Give this building is going to have another triangle on top. This building, and what building is that, might I ask? I mean, which building are we talking? I guess the one that we just did. If so, that's FB4. No, it's not. No, it's FB4B, but we need to be doing the actual building. So they're trying to make us work here by going to figure out where are we adding that to. So we just got finished adding those windows, you guys, to FB4B. FB4B. So to me, this would be FB4, right? Let's see. FB4. But to be honest with you, FB4 is up here. FB4A. Aha. Oops. All right. Why did I look like that? That don't look good. I mean, does it have to be first? That is. And use your building color variables as the color. I don't like looking at the answer because it just means that I probably didn't read the instructions good enough. So that's what I go back to do. But if I still can't get the answer right, I don't know if this, and use your building color variables. I mean, is it 2? Which one? There's no such thing. I think it's 1. Let's see what it is. Building color 1, yeah. Oh. Another one, FB4A. Border left is 8 VW solid. Background color Oh, this all goes on one line, you telling me? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Wow. Well, well, well. All right, on the next building, it's the green one in the foreground for this. This one hasn't been styled yet. Give it a repeating linear gradient with your building color from 0% to 5%. Oh my goodness, you guys. Repeating linear gradients. That's a background situation. You see how easily it is to forget? Like, it's real easy to forget code. That's why, you guys, we can't take any breaks. We have to be on it. Building color from 0 to 5 to 5 and transparent. Hmm. You know what I noticed? They get hard at the end. And they're out of line for that. Goodness. With your building color. Okay, yeah, I was confused. It goes a little something like this. Y'all. R. Building color. Hello. Like 1 or whatever. Two. 3. And then we're gonna go trans. You should give FB5 a background property. Well, can't you see it is? There's a background property right there. Oh, this shouldn't be there though. Oh, Let's see what it has in the past. Mm. You should give FB5 a background property. There it is. It's clear as day. You guys, I'm gonna have to Google this one. I have no clue what this means. All right, let's see. You should give VB2A. Is this what mine says? No, it's not. So this is not the right question. This one must not be so hard. A lot of people are not asking it. Well, it's kind of hard for me. No fair. Repeating, give it a, it's the green one in the foreground. Give it a repeating linear gradient with your building color from the 0. I don't see it changing anything, absolutely nothing. Where is transparent in this situation? There go these dashes again, you guys. Now it probably gives me a different one. Color 2. We're getting somewhere here. 0 to 5. Okay, that's what I did. Is it needing that instead? Repeating linear gradient, a first color of building color 2. From 0 to 5. Okay, maybe it just needs me to go like this, you guys. I'm gonna try it a different way. The more coloring way. I mean, the more coding way. You should give the repeating linear a second color of transparent from 5 to 10. All right, we're gonna do this again. I'm gonna do this then. What? Oh, I could have made it with that one, you guys. I just didn't have the percentage. Let's take this away and see if it works. All right, I'm gonna add it. Oh. Hey. 5 to 10. Maybe this doesn't belong here. Okay, so now what we've learned from this is transparent never has anything next to it. It's just transparent in the percentage, or just transparent maybe by itself, but that might change. If transparent is by itself, it might need something next to it. So glad we got that on our own, you guys. Okay. We're almost finished. Hang in there. Look at that. All right, add another repeating linear. Oh no. Repeating linear gradient. I think I know how. I think I do. The one you just added, give it a 90 degree. Yeah, we know how to do that. Use the building color. Use your building color, whatever building color that is. Let's don't forget the dashes this time. Var building color from 0. Hold on, you guys. I need to figure out why it's not making any colors whatsoever. Last time when we did this, we used that and it worked. So, this is a comma. You see that? Building color 1. What did it say? 0 to 12%. I think it's building color 1. It might be building color 2. Who knows? I really don't. It always says use your building color. What building color is that? And window color, 12% to 44%. I'm gonna do something here, you guys. I'm gonna try something. And that thing that I'm gonna try is this, because I've been wanting to do this all this time. 44%. I'm gonna put these next to each other instead of making another one. Now let's see what it says, because I'm obviously wrong. Repeating linear gradient in the background property. Oh. Comma. This should say something else. You should give the second repeated gradient a second color of window 2 to 12. I'm gonna try to stick with this. But I don't think it's taking it. So I'm gonna have to create another one. I thought I seen that somewhere that you could do that. Maybe not. Perfect timing to get it right. All right. So you don't need the background color for this building anymore. So you can remove that property. To be honest with you guys, I kind of don't get when we remove stuff. That's scary to me. finally, you made it to the last building. Add a repeating gradient to it with a 90-degree direction. Use the building color. Use the building color. Here we go. Background. That'll work. I always get mixed up on this one. What's at the end for this? Oh, that's not right. Yes. Belongs here. Oh, building color 3. My bad. But I still need to remember no commas here. And it's that thing after. Okay, add another repeating gradient to this building. Look at what it did. Make it the same as the one you just added. Except don't add the 90-degree direction. Well, that's easy enough. Let's copy and paste this mug and put it here. Like this. They said to use the window colors instead of the transparent colors. I never know what window colors they're referring to. So, yes. That still trips me out that you have to give it twice. I think I got that wrong 2 times. I did this before. Yeah, no, you don't do that. I think I'm just missing this, right? Oh, I have two here. Oh, you should give the second repeating linear a second color of window 3. Well, we knew I was always going to get wrong on the color there. Woo. All right. You cannot remove, you can remove the background color for this building. Ciao. It isn't needed anymore. Okay. Okay, the buildings are done. Go back to the selector and remove the border. You'll apply to everything at the beginning and the buildings will all come together. You guys, that is why we have this. I get it now. Oh my gosh, that makes so much sense. This is inside of this. Once I get rid of this, all of that nonsense is gonna go away. What is this? Now that's nice. Look at that. Oh, I like it, you guys. Add sky as the second class to the background buildings. Give the sky class a radial gradient. They're changing it up on us now. We're almost to the ending. Give the sky class a radial gradient. Class a radial gradient. Interesting. Let's see if I know how to do this. This one's kind of hard, you guys. Be aware. All right. I think it's going to be like this. No, that's only for the variable ones. 0 to 20%. Y'all think I did that right? I don't really. I'm interested to see what I got wrong. Radio gradient. You should give sky a radial in the background property. Well, I thought that's what I did. We definitely have to look this one up. We're getting closer to the end and they're playing games. Learn CSS radio gradient. Okay. I'm thinking they don't have a lot of answers for us. It's scary now. We used to be able to. I think it's because we're getting later into the situation and people might not be posting questions like this. Okay, let's come back here. Let's regroup. Now, for all of our other elements that had like radial gradient in there and all that stuff, we still did that, okay? You should give sky a radial gradient in the background. Do you guys see that that's literally what I did? Okay. Oh. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna try something else because these are different. Colors here, and maybe they just don't work the same. It's just saying that I should give it a. That I don't get because I really have done that. When you look over here, as you can see, you see background, radial gradient. It's got all of this inside, just like I have. Maybe I should give it on the same line. I'm just doing this, you guys, so I can see clearly, like, what am I doing? Radial gradient. Okay, you guys, I got the code. The background color, radial gradient. I don't think I was spelling it right because this is the code. I had all of this right, so. The The sun. This is so nice. Get that code if you don't have it. All right, at the top of the sky, gradient color list where you would put a direction for the gradient. Add circle closet corner at 15%, 15%. Okay. Oh, look at that. That is so freaking cool. Wow. I don't know what that's asking. I always say ask me later, but I want to read it next time. All right. Oh my goodness, not the media query again. Can be used to change styles based on certain conditions, and they look like this. Add an empty media query at the bottom of your style sheet with a condition of, okay, this should be pretty easy. They're telling us at least what to do. Max with I so forgot how to add a media query. Max with an empty query. Is that empty enough for you? Oh. Let's see what we got going in the land of Google, because once again, we're nearing the end. They're not having as many answers, you guys, anymore. What? All right, let's look at the other media queries. We can still figure this out. At media. We should Google how to add an empty media query. CSS. Oh, that is the empty part. You see that right there? Let's try it. Doesn't look like it's doing too much for me. Oh, okay. Well, we learned something, you guys. That's how you add an empty media query. Step 115, we're almost done. Copy and paste your whole sky class along with all of its properties and values into the media query. Where's sky, you guys? Where is sky? We just did it. It's should not be that high up here. Here it goes. Copy. Oh, this is why it's empty, because we're gonna put something in it. And to make another color scheme for the sky that changes it from day to night. No, you're gonna need to scroll past the editable region of the copy class. All right, in the sky class of the meteor query, change the two F's, yes, values to CCC. And these to 445 and 223. Oh, that's dope. Add a root selector. To the top of the media query. Then redefine all four of the building color variables to use the value there. Redefine all four of the building colors. What? I guess they want us to change these. They want us to change them, y'all. I guess to 0, 0, 0. Now, what kind of color is that? Oh, okay. So we're within the media query, so it doesn't need a selector. I thought we were on a new selecting situation, but we wasn't. All right, lastly, in the root selector of the media query, redefine all four of the window color variables to 777. Pretty easy to be the last answers here. Look at that, you guys. Uh-oh. I only chose 3, I guess. Oops, I didn't choose 1. and with that, we are done. Okay. I think that was the last one. Let's see. Oh, man. Look at this. Okay, you guys, let's get a taste of what we will build. They say they got a new curriculum going. Soon the free code camp will be 100% project driven learning instead of a series of coding challenges you'll learn through building projects step by step. Before we get into the details, let me emphasize we are not changing the certificates. All 6 certifications will still have the same 5 required projects. We are only changing the optional coding challenges. After years and years of pondering these 2 problems and how to solve them, I slipped, hit my head on a sink, and when I had a revelation, a picture of this. This is what makes time travel possible, the flux capacitor. It wasn't dramatic as Doc's revelation in Back to the Future. Come on, Free Code Camp, talk English, would you? It just occurred to me while I was going for a run. The revelation, the entire curriculum should be a series of projects instead of individual coding challenges. We'll just have projects, each with their own seamless series of tests. Each test gives you just enough information to figure out how to get it to pass. And you can view hints if that isn't enough. The entire curriculum should be a series of projects. No more walls of explanatory text. No more walls of tests. Just one test at a time as you build up a working project. Over the course of passing thousands of tests, you build up projects and your own understanding of coding fundamentals. There is no transition between lessons and projects because the lessons themselves are baked into projects, and there's plenty of repetition to help you retain everything because, hey, building projects in real life has plenty of repetition. The main design challenge is taking what is currently paragraphs of explanation and instructions and packing them into a single test description test. Each project will involve dozens of tests like this. People will be coding the entire time rather than switching back and forth from reading mode to coding mode. Ooh, instead of a series of coding challenges, people will be in their code editor passing one test after another, quickly building up a project. People will get into a real flow state, similar to what they experience when they build the required projects at the end of each certification. They'll get that sense of forward progress right from the beginning, and Free Code Camp will be a much smoother experience. Well, when is this going down, Free Code Camp? Is it going down now? The millions of people who are learning to code through Free Code Camp will have an even better resource to help them. I think we're getting into it right now. Okay, so on my next video, we will be, I guess, starting the new curriculum. Are you guys excited about that? This is ever from March 2019. So yeah, it's 2022 now, and I think that they've had time. They probably changed the next part that we're about to go into. So I'm kind of excited. It sounds like we're going to retain a lot of information and just code. And yeah. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.